How to delete your Heyoo account permanently. Hey guys, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to delete your Heyoo account permanently here on Heyoo. So here at Heyoo, to delete your account permanently, all you need to do right now is open your account. Once your account has been open, click on the bottom right corner. It will be located right here, and right near your profile, and then click on the settings icon top right corner right there. See settings icon there, press on that. After pressing on that right there, click on account and security right here. Once you're here at account security, you'll be located with your number and you'll see delete account. Press on delete account. Once pressing on delete account, as you can see right now, here we have about 10 seconds before it can be deleted. It's counting down for a few seconds right there. So once the countdown is done, you can now delete your account. There you go. As you can see right now, the account can now be deleted by just clicking on the yellow right there. After pressing on that, verify your login password. So here we're gonna verify our password. I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Now I've entered my password right here. Next thing we need to do is click on next right there. After pressing on next right there, confirm deletion, code received with the phone number. So here we just need to receive our code right here. So we're gonna wait for a code. There you go. I think we have received our code. So we're just gonna check. There you go. Heyoo 425 425 186 186. Confirm deletion. Wait, what? 425. Oh, 186. Not 486. 186. Confirm deletion. And there you go, guys. Now your account here has been deleted. So there. I hope you guys liked the video. Please enjoy it. If you have any question, concerns, type it down in the comment below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible and here on how to rock it, guys. Anyways, guys, there you go. And thank you, guys.